Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about an exchange token. So it's not just a regular token, but a regular cryptocurrency or a regular ERC20. This one is an ERC20 token, but it's for the exchange. So it's going to be pretty interesting. But anyways guys, if you're new to the channel, welcome to Drake on Digital. And we are going to go ahead and break into it and talk about what is KuCoin shares. Really interesting. This blockchain, in my opinion, is this exchange is probably more so for the people, and they even title that inside their website and kind of advertise that as well. But it's interesting what they're doing. It's a really cool exchange to use, and in my opinion, it's no one's really even looking at it except for the past few days. People have been thinking, oh, it's going to be the next BNB type of thing, but it was sitting steady, $1, $2, $3, and it's just one of those things that was like just kind of overlooked. Same with BNB back when it was 30 bucks. They don't have their own chain just like Binance does, but maybe they'll have one in the future. But basically, if you guys want to see a couple of the comparisons, if you guys want to take a look and see what are the tokens there are that are exchange tokens, well, here's a list of them. These are both decentralized and centralized exchange tokens, and all of these have really been taken off, so do keep that in mind. And it's an easy way to be able to look at exchange-based tokens and centralized exchange. So I guess we can compare just to the centralized exchanges. And you guys can see the centralized exchanges held up pretty well in the recent Bitcoin sell-off today. But yeah, in general, really cool token, and pretty cool how it works. So they do have a circulating supply of 170 million, and well, circulating, that's the maximum supply, and it is going to decrease to only a total of 100 million after selling in general. So they have a buyback mechanism just like Binance does. So it's really cool, and that does help with the appreciation of the token. But this is really odd. It's only got a $500 million market cap. Now let's go ahead and compare that to BNB. So BNB obviously is one of the big guys, and they have a $40 billion market cap. Well, I do understand they have their own chain, so we'll give them that much. But still, I mean, that's almost an 80x difference. So that's, I don't know why there's so much of a difference, but hence why we've gotten so much price appreciation in the past few days. Anyways, guys, this isn't financial advice. This is just my opinion on the project. But we're going to go ahead and talk about KuCoin and tell what they're doing. So it's similar to Binance. They don't have as much volume, but they do have a lot of volume on it, and they're doing very good. And in my opinion, I actually like KuCoin better than Binance, because the Binance support is awful. And then they shut down like half the time, and they'll suspend withdrawals half the time. And KuCoin, on the other hand, I haven't had that issue. I like KuCoin, and on top of that, when you own the tokens, you actually get 50% of the trading fees. So currently, if you were to own at least 6 KuCoin tokens, you'd be getting about 20% interest every year. So theoretically, after 5 years, you could double your KuCoin amount. Well, actually less than that, because it's going to be a compounding effect. It's daily interest, so it's probably going to be about 3.5 years. So it's a similar exchange, really easy to use. They even have a referral program. If you guys want to use my referral code right here, boys, 1V4H8BD, if you guys want to use it. I'll put a link in the description. But anyways, yeah, so it's pretty cool. They do have a lot of different, like, it's similar to Binance, where they have different rewards and trading competitions and so on. So it's really cool. They have the traditional spot trading. You got the instant exchange, just like you do over at Binance. Let me show you guys the spot trading just so you guys can see it. So the spot trading is I actually like it a little bit better than Binance, because you can pick up a bunch of different orders. So it's really cool how that works. But it's a neat little mechanism, and they have your own trading password, so it kind of locks your account just in case someone logs in, and it's just another security feature. So really cool how that's working. Let me show you guys so you see how you can pick different ones. Instead, Binance, you got to type it in every single time. Instead, you can kind of save them, or you can split it up into 4 different charts. So you can say, oh, I want to see 4 different charts all at once, and you can see which ones are doing what. So it's really cool how it works. I do like their format and their system even better than Binance. In my opinion, it's a lot easier to use. And we'll show you guys the instant exchange. This is for someone who wants instant gratification or wants to transfer something extremely quick, and you can just go from any coin to another, almost like a Uniswap, and it's instant to use. Let me show you guys the margin trading. I don't do this at all. I don't recommend margin trading. In fact, if you margin traded today, you probably would have gotten liquidated, unless you were going short, and then you would have made bank. But hey, you don't know what happens. I don't recommend this, but basically it allows you to go up to 10x leverage. Binance does like 100x, but I'm sure 10x is enough for you guys. If you guys are doing leverage, don't do leverage. I can't even recommend doing 10x. Just don't do leverage, period. You'll get liquidated really quick. And then this is what I really like. They have something called soft staking. So you can actually hold your tokens on the exchange, and you'll get a different percentage. So you get like 10%, 5%, just depending on what the token is. Like, for example, here's some of the different rates that they have. It's loading right now, sorry guys. But like, for example, you have one, you have Atom, you have DOT. So look, these are good interest rates, and you don't even have to stake it. The reason why it's a good benefit is because, well, typically when you stake a cryptocurrency, you have an unbonding period. So like, for example, Atom or Cosmos, it's a 21-day unbonding period. Here you can just deposit and withdraw instantly. Obviously it is centralized, not your keys, not your crypto, but I'm just telling you guys what's out there. You guys make your own decision. You guys got big boy pants, so I'm just telling you what's out there, and you guys do what you want with it. Let me show you the other interesting thing about KuCoin. So here I'm holding some of the KuCoin tokens. I purchased these a while back because I was just getting them for the trading fees, because you actually save on trading fees, and I'm getting interest on these every day. So every single day I'm just getting random interest on the KuCoins. So how this works is, say there's $1 billion worth of trading. Obviously this is a little far-fetched, but say there's $1 billion worth of trading on a given day. You get a percentage. You get 50% of the total amount. So it'd be 500 million split between everyone who's holding the currency. So if you hold 1% of it, you're going to get 1% of that 500 million in trading fees. Obviously 500 million a day isn't something that happens in trading fees, so you do have to keep that in mind. Don't have high expectations, but it's still, you're getting free interest on it just for no reason, in my opinion. But that's just what I'm saying. So you guys can see the different fees, the different interests that you're getting. And also, here's a couple things about KuCoin shares. This doesn't really matter much because most people hold it on the KuCoin exchange to get interest. But you guys can see after the first two, it's pretty well distributed to many different holders. Here's a couple of the perks about the KuCoin exchange token. You receive daily cryptocurrency dividends, which is 50% of the trading fees, like we explained. A trading fee discount, also explained. You can trade in additional pairs. You get customer support fast pass, so you get good customer support. And yes, they do have really good customer support, I will say that. You get exclusive KCS perks as well. Hey, you can't beat this token, and here's a list of their token burns. So I mean, they're burning this like crazy, and I think it's going to be this month that they're going to be burning almost 1 million tokens. So I mean, they're burning at a rapid rate too, and eventually it's just going to go to 100 million. So really cool cryptocurrency. It's got a built-in de-inflationary mechanism, and it helps. I mean, it's really crazy technology. Well, not technology, but a crazy idea that they came up with, and it's really smart. They share a portion of the fees, so it gives an incentive for people to buy it. Unlike Binance, the BNB token, the only incentive is trading fee discount. That's it. And then obviously they have the Binance Smart Chain. So I guess you have a give and take on each. In my opinion, yeah, you have other exchanges like FTX. FTX is currently at like a $3 billion market cap. And KuCoin is only a 500 million. So there's something going on there. Like it's not adding up. It's not. It's been left behind. But time will tell, and we'll see what happens. But again, not not financial advice, just my opinion. We'll leave you guys with a wisdom one-liner. I recommend you guys checking out the KuCoin. You don't have to use my referral link, but if you do, it's right here, boys, and you actually get a discount when you sign up with it. So really cool to use. But yeah, anyways, if you guys got any value out of this, by the way, go ahead and smash up the like button. And if you guys are new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. We teach you about cryptocurrencies, different altcoin projects, and little things like that, how to make it in the game and stay ahead. Don't get left behind, guys. That's our slogan, Drake on Digital. Don't get left behind. Proverbs chapter 26, verses 14. If a king judges the poor with fairness, his throne will be established forever. I believe it, man. Always be fair and righteous to people. So currently, if you guys are looking to get some KuCoin, they are listed on they're on KuCoin and Probit, but they are I've heard rumors that they are possibly going to be listed on Binance. And well, when that happens, this sucker will definitely pop. It's almost like the Coinbase effect, except it's for Binance. So do keep that in mind. So it could trend upwards, but time will tell. We'll see what happens. All right, guys, thanks for watching. And without you guys watching, I wouldn't keep doing these videos, but I'm hoping I'm helping you guys. If I am, smash that like button. Go ahead and get started with the triple threat. Go ahead and start with the Celsius account. Here's a referral link where you guys can earn $20 in BTC. Really awesome. Set up a Celsius account, easy to use, and you get crazy interest rates on your Celsius account. Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, you name it. The next one in the triple threat is a Crypto.com account. Super easy to use, super easy to set up, really easy to buy and sell on it. I don't like how it doesn't have limit orders, but really easy to use. And here's another referral code for 25 bucks in CRO. Here's the referral link, A8GP. You guys can read it. But anyways, guys, a cool place to buy cryptocurrency on the go. Allows you to buy small altcoins, unlike Celsius. Celsius is more so like your bank account. And the third one, this one is a fun one, Voyager. This one is more so where you can buy with limit orders. It doesn't have as many altcoins as Crypto.com, but it's really easy to use, easy to set up. And yes, this one does come with a referral link as well, and you'll get $25 in BTC. This is how you can do a limit order. Super easy to use, and they don't charge any trading fees whatsoever. Here's the referral link. You can't copy and paste it, but you can look in the description to copy and paste, and you can put that in and set one up. 25 bucks, free BTC. This is the funnest one though. Lolly, free. There is a referral link to this one too. I've actually won 100,000 sats one time on one of the taps, which is worth like 100 bucks in Bitcoin. So it's crazy. Look, and there's even proof in the wallet. Look at that, daily stack, 101. Guys, set one up. It's really easy to do. Download a Lolly account and just set it up. Thanks for watching, guys. If you guys are new to the channel, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button and hit that bell notification. That way you guys can be ahead of the game every time we make a new video.